Kevin, we're standing out here on 13th Avenue by Sauteed Asian Cuisine, the branded restaurant. We have here a Cuisine with a Svardi, which are going to do the tasting tonight of the brand new restaurant. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready? Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go and get some good food.
Let's see what they have tonight. All right, Kevin, let's check in over here.
Chaim and the boys.
Chaim and the boys. Shalom Aleichem.
How are you?
Welcome.
Ellie, we got the boys tonight. We got the foodies. We got a Svardi and a Cuisine. All right, he's from Flatbush. He remembers your store on Coney Island Avenue. He knows that store. We have a Cuisine in Borough Park, and together we're gonna go and try out Sauteed of Borough Park. It's fun. Came to the right place. Let's check it out. Get my cake. Wow.
Oh, nice.
This is a beautiful store.
Thank you, Chaim. We just opened last week. We're happy to have you guys. Enjoy.
Kevin, we're gonna check this place out tonight, and we're gonna let everybody know what this place is about. Sauteed. Ellie, let's go.
Let's go.
Welcome. Go down and visit with it.
Enjoy.
All right, I see we have a lot of good stuff over here on the menu. Tell us what we should order on the food over here on the menu.
All right, so for the appetizers, I got Korean short ribs, buffalo chicken poppers, beef dumplings, shishito peppers. Those are the top four. That's a must get.
Okay, what do we get? Very nice. Okay, good. What else?
Okay, for the chicken entrees, I got chicken garlic sauce. I got a General Tao chicken.
Moshe, bring dinner, Moshe.
Oh, let's go. This is what we're waiting for. Whee!
Shishito peppers, Szechuan wonton.
Very nice. This is what we want for. This is what we're waiting for. This is what we're waiting for all day. Saving our appetite for this. This is just the beginning. Okay, good.
Here we go. It's coming in more.
Now we're talking.
What do we got over here? What is
This is our ribs, short ribs, and this is our buffalo chicken poppers. Nice and spicy, perfect taste, amazing.
Wow, looks good, looks different, looks nice. Wow.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
De Chaim füllt uns an Teller du. Und greit.
Vada.
Chaim, ja, was suchst du auf der Machulen du?
Looks good. We gotta taste it, but it looks good.
Wow, good, fresh. Oh, this is what you call chicken. Oh,
Taste that, man, huh?
you gotta try it. Very good, very good. That's a kick. That's a spicy kick. Wow, very good. Definitely gotta try this out. Amazing. Oh.
I don't believe it. You heard, you smelled the food, you came running, huh? You smelled the food and came over.
Thank you, yes. And we just had a baby and we left our wife at home with the kid and we came over here taking ID. Imagine that. To the new restaurant over here in Sauteed. Yes, beautiful. Oh, you don't even know what you're missing. Oh. Try this stuff out. Short ribs, chicken, wonton, amazing, fresh.
That is
Where we know start. Let's go. Start filling up your plate.
Chaim, I just got this bottle as a gift. I want to open it over here.
Wow, very nice. Beautiful. This is what you call service.
Enjoy.
This is what you call service. This is what you call service. Customer service at its finest. By the way, I just want to know the short ribs we had. Oh, I mean, I never had something like this, by the way. It reminds me of like Florida vibes. As if I'm in Florida over here.
Thank you, guys.
The short ribs, the corn pop chicken, the popcorn chicken, very good, amazing.
Enjoy.
Very good. Thank you. Make it l'chaim. The wontons also very good. This is something I never had, by the way. It has extra extra kick.
Yeah.
Extra taste. Make it l'chaim. There's a soft opening. The mazal tov. Mazal tov. Make it l'chaim.
Thank you, guys.
You can be healthy, busy, and to many more other restaurants. L'chaim.
Cheers.
This is something different.
Let's try this out.
You ever see this anywhere else? This is something different. I'm gonna eat it, and I'm eating it with my hands too. Oh, very good. What is it? What's in it? Very good.
This is really good. It's our corn ribs. It's one of our most sought out appetizer. It's one of our most sold appetizer. It's grilled on both sides, little garlic mayo, garlic aioli on top, and scallions.
Very good, very, very good. Like an extra kick, very, very good. Something different also. They don't have it in other places.
Yeah.
Moshe, guys, Kevin, if you think it's over.
No.
Oh, get my king.
Oh, now you're talking.
Now you're talking. Now you're talking, Moshe.
This is what we waited for.
It's the big boys.
Fried rice. You're not gonna see this anywhere else.
Oh, wow.
You're not gonna see this anywhere else, Ellie says. And when Ellie says, he knows what he's talking about. Get my cake, get my cake.
Wow.
Whoa,
Wow.
whoa.
What is this? What is this? This is something different. What is this?
Give us a rundown. What's going on here?
All right, over here we got a Szechuan chicken. This is our signature fried rice, crispy beef, shredded, and this is our General Tso chicken.
Oh, wow.
This is
Very,
our
very
top
good.
dishes.
Which one should we start with?
They get all of them.
The best of the best. We got the best of the best. Wow, we got the best of the best.
We got more
Nice.
coming.
More coming too. Look at that. Already I'm way halfway done. We got
Moshe,
more and more
Moshe.
coming.
Avi, you guys didn't know what's coming over here in Sauteed. With the wine, the whole flavor. We behind menu. We will start from Kevin. Cuisine, where do we start from?
Dig in with our hands.
All these dishes. What are you gonna start with, Moshe?
I think I'm gonna start off with the crispy beef. This is something I never had. It looks something different. I think I'm gonna go with that. Deal with a little bit of the fried rice, which is very good. I think then I'm gonna go with the General Tso chicken. So much to choose from. I don't know which one. I'm gonna do a little bit of each. Then I think I'm gonna go with a little bit of the beef. Then we'll do the chicken, because chicken you see everywhere. But the crispy beef is something you don't see everywhere. This I think we're gonna start with.
Kevin, you agree? 100%. Yalla, b'shaim Hashem, na'aseh v'natzliach. Let's go.
Amen.
L'chaim, l'chaim, l'chaim.
Chaim, this, something you gotta try. It's unbelievably good.
I came all the way from Flatbush to Borough Park just to taste this food. Let's say that, man. That's all I'm gonna say.
Ellie, wow. Moshe, what do you say? The food is unreal, next level. Moshe, Ellie, what got you inspired to come to Borough Park? I mean, we're in Borough Park. Thrilled that you opened over here. All my fans, all my viewers are saying, Chaim, finally Sauteed made it. When are you making a vlog already? So here we are, we're doing a vlog. But what tack inspired you to do it?
All right, Chaim, so we're finally here. I'm very happy to be here. A lot of guys in Flatbush location told me to come and open up over here. And so we listened to them, and we're finally here. I'm glad to be here, and it's amazing.
Wow, so you heard the plea of the Borough Park people, and you came out here. First of all, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, the restaurant. Who designed it?
So I had a designer, one of my wife's friends. She inspired this place. It's very
She
similar.
inspired. Very cool. I like the dim, the black walls, the black ceiling, that dim gray look. Very cool, elegant look.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Hi, Ali. Shh. Let's go to the side. Come here.
Let's go in.
I want to tell you quietly that it's Moshe's birthday. Okay? Make some good birthday surprise. All right?
I got you.
Okay, let's go. Kevin, what are you saying? How's the food? How's the food? Ready? We ready?
Let's bring the dessert. This guy's good.
Oh yeah!
Happy birthday!
Wow, Kevin! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Wow, happy birthday, happy birthday!
More Sauteed.
Kazakh, Sauteed! All right, Ellie, as they eat their dessert, their birthday dessert, we're gonna wrap up with a Perlowitz promotion, Ellie. Something next level. What's the promotion? Whoever comes in from now, let's make it till Rosh Chodesh Cheshvan, all right? Because it's coming Yom Tov now. Let's make it till Rosh Chodesh Cheshvan, about a month and a half. Whoever comes in and mentions the Perlowitz show, what does he get?
Gets any appetizer on our menu for free on the house. Just mention Chaim, Perlowitz, Free appetizer.
Chevre, you heard that right. Free appetizer coming over here, sauteed. All right, he's clapping already. He knows he's coming in. He's
coming in for the next
He's coming in for the next, from now to Rosh Chodesh. Whoever walks in over here to sauteed, what is the exact address?
4006 13th Avenue.
4006 13th Avenue, located between 40th and 41st, across from the Lechem, the new Lechem sourdough.
Yes.
Right over here, meet Ellie, say so the Perlowitz Show, and get a free appetizer.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much, Ellie, for bringing us down over here with Moshe, with the boys, with the crew.
Glad to have you guys.
Yes, thank you.